to the stage and present a monologue from the movie Braveheart. William Wallace has been executed, and Sir Bruce is giving a speech to his troops. Open the curtains, please.
Men of Scotland, the events of yesterday show that God is on our side, and He will continue to fight for us as long as we fight for a righteous cause. It is true our foes greatly outnumber us, but what do we have to fight with? They have armor, they have war horses, they have levies from several other countries, and they have knights from all over Europe. But we, yes we have the faith, the courage, and the knowledge that we fight for our homes and our liberty. Today is the birthday of St. Andrew. And as we go into battle, St. Andrew and all the other saints of Scotland will be alongside of us. The only thing I ask of you now is to show me the courage that your fathers did when they fought alongside Wallace, a short distance from here at Stoneham Bridge. I want you to show me the courage that they fought when they fought in the battle. I seen the fire in their eyes. I want you to fight alongside of me and don't give up. Fight for your freedom, your knowledge, and your liberty!
To the stage and present a monologue of his 18-year-old homeboy at the funeral home. Mr. Washington was just released from prison to visit his homeboy. Curtis, please.
I'm no longer dead. It's all my fault to die. Wasn't start that gang stuff, you'll still be here. Time's crazy now. I'm locked down 23 hours a day. I get out for an hour. Stuff crazy out there. Man, dog, I miss you too much, yo. Now I gotta take care of you, man, boy. It ain't even right, dog. But it's all my fault. I don't think I'm gonna make it no more. Who can come back to me?
stage and present a monologue about a 36-year-old woman who had just woken from a dream.
Any staff member who sees anyone talking during the performance, would you please escort that person out of the auditorium?
Daddy? Dad? Is that you? Yes, I want some ice cream, Daddy. Daddy, you got ice cream on your nose. Dad? Dad? Just a dream. Just a dream. What's wrong with me? It's been 20 years. He's been dead for 20 whole years now. You know, it's funny how there's just some things you can never forget. They say on your mom bothering you, driving you insane. I have 2 kids to look after now. A loving husband who treats me like a queen. Yet every day, I remember. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? It's just so unfair. And I know my memory affects the way I act. And I take it out on the kids. But I can't control it. It's just so hard to control my emotions. God, this is so unfair. Why? Why did my father have to die and the other guy didn't? It was the other guy who took that drink. It was the other guy who got behind the wheel. It was the other guy who drove through the red light passing in the sweeter light. It was the other guy's fault. And my innocent father had to pay the price. It's just not fair. It's not fair, I tell you. It's just not fair.
The guy with the lighter. He's sitting down. What is it? At 2:45. Tell him that.